Happy Mail Queen again. So I thought I would go ahead and do another video since I've been feeling better mood-wise. I thought I'd go ahead and share another haul, just a tiny one. So of course the kids are back to school. We had to go to Staples early this week to get some things, and so my kids got folders and whatnot. I was able to find these. These are just little notebooks, but it's a hardcover, so that's kind of nice. Regularly $5. It was on clearance for $2. So I went ahead and grabbed two. And this was from Staples, and it was like the back aisle at my Staples. Sorry, the back wall, I should say. I thought these were so cute. And I don't know if I've seen someone haul this. I want to say I think I did, and I just can't remember who. And then I was at Hobby Lobby Tuesday. I think I was there Tuesday. Needed a little retail therapy, so my hubby let me go, and I actually had to return something, so that's why I went. And I returned the curtains that I had gotten because I couldn't find the other panel. Anyway, I got this paper because this week they have their papers on sale for 50% off. And I saw this Webster's Pages paper called My Happy Place. Well, that's fitting. I can sure use some happiness. So how cute is this? I think this came out early this year, but I just never really saw it at my Hobby Lobby. And I know I've seen somebody haul this because I remember that catacorn. Was it Lily? Lily, did you haul this? I don't know. Someone who likes to do haul videos hauled this. So anyway, it is My Happy Place. It comes with 12 by 12 double-sided papers and one 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet, which is this one right here. I'm trying to find a SKU number for you guys. Oh, where would that be? I don't know. I guess that one? I'm not sure if that's the one. I think that's the, no, that has to be just the Webster's Pages SKU. Hobby Lobby right now has it on sale. So I got it for $5. You guys know that some of their kits, when they go on sale, it's as low as that. So how cute is this? It's double-sided. Isn't this perfect for fall? Oh, and you get two of each. Yay. Okay. So there's that one. Here is this pattern. That's the back. Look how pretty that is. And I'm just loving the darks right now. I don't, it's unusual because I usually like to stick with pastels, but I don't know. I'm just loving the blues too. So there's the reverse side. And I hope I'm in frame. How pretty is this? And look at this catacorn, you guys. Oh my goodness. I think I have a lot of shadow. Sorry, let me turn that off. Look how cute this is. You can, now here's my hands, so they are pretty big. You can definitely fussy cut that. It's not hard. And you can get, let's see, 2, 4, 6 that are, you know, not cut. 2 full size. That's the, oh, how cute is that? Why have I not, well, I think my, seriously, I think my Hobby Lobby didn't carry this. Here is the, what are these, 2x2s? Okay, so let me see if I can do a quick, just so I can show you guys. Okay, am I getting this? Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I'm trying to show you the best. Look at that little girl. Oh my gosh. And then this. Oh my gosh. I fell in love with that. Look at this cat with their little crown. So you get two little catacorns. Now, Mimi, have you seen this at your Hobby Lobby? There's the reverse. And then here are some more cut aparts, and these are bigger 6x6. Well, these are 6x6 and these are 4x6. What is this? 3x4. There's the other side. Still fall in love with, oh, I still fall in love with you every day. How cute. This is so adorable. I have never seen it before. I mean, I think I saw somebody haul this, like I said. But I've never seen it at my Hobby Lobby. And wow. So, you guys, I'm very close to 10K. Can you guys believe it? Oh my gosh. I looked and I was at 9.9K. 9,920, I think. Something like that. Subscribers, which that is just crazy. But thank you so much, you guys, for supporting my channel. I so appreciate it. I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I reach 10K. So I think, I don't know, what do you guys want from me as a giveaway? I usually like to do gift codes for international, but maybe I can do two. Maybe I can do, or maybe I'll announce one winner, and if you're international, then if the shipping's going to be too much, then I can just give you a gift code. And then for those who are in the US, I can maybe do like a little package. And I think I will put this in the package. How about that? Because it's just too adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is my share today. I think I'm going to keep this nice and short. And yeah, so stay tuned for a giveaway, you guys. I definitely want to, I haven't done a giveaway in so long, and I definitely appreciate all of you. So stay tuned for that, okay? So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.